Guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I get this on my top head. You need to find all the markers, and if you found it all, you can collect all of it. I think I want the sharp one because I haven't get it. Ooh, this is actually pretty good. And this time we're gonna find the
Anong klaseng lugar na ito? Isang ordinaryong hotel sa probinsya.
magenta void marker. Okay, go on display. There's all the markers, and go to here and go here, and welcome to see the magenta marker. If you did see this smiley face, it means it's a marker. So you found a magenta void marker. It's hard, but I know you're gonna find it on display.